Alright, kiddos, what's going on?
Hi, Dad!
Hi!
Swimming.
Interview. What's going on?
We're gonna go swimming.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
This is like an endless summer, right, guys?
Yeah.
Endless summer. Aloha. Whoa, let me get.
She wants
There you go. Romeo, where's your floaty?
In the back.
Oh, okay, good. You guys are ready. Woo! What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here with the big afro. The big afro, I can see it right there. Like I said, I need a haircut. I gotta color my hair. Oh my god, guys. It is looking bad. It is looking bad. Hope you guys don't mind. There you go. We got the paddleboard right back there. We're gonna do some exercising over at our favorite beach. Hopefully, it's not too packed. Hopefully, it's not, because it's Sunday today, guys. Right? Yeah. Sunday is usually packed at the beach. Let's go see, guys. So we stopped by Whaler General Store here in Aloha. Jess picked up. What did you pick up, Jess? Look at all that, guys. We got some sushi. We got some poke, sandwich, candies. Oh my god! And Jess, what is that, Jess? In there? Oh my god.
This is for I think piggy in the.
Oh, piggy in the blanket.
Yeah, for Romeo.
Ooh!
For your
All
son,
right,
for your
guys.
son.
Yummy. Let's go. King Kong Mountain.
Son, huh? Put any trash, yeah?
All right.
Understand?
Yeah.
What do you guys trust in the? Why do they have this stuff? I don't know. Romeo, leave it to guys.
Make a fire, Dad. Let's make a fire.
No. Don't touch.
Well, only if you cook. It's fine. Yeah. I think. Yeah. Romeo.
Where's our umbrella?
Huh?
Oh God, this is bust up. We can go put our umbrella. Right here. It's nice right here already.
Oh, Jess, we gotta go. I gotta go forward more. Dude,
Okay.
you can jump.
Daddy, push your button. Dad, can
Yeah.
I see my floaty?
Okay, hold.
Go. Report back.
Alright, guys. How was your adventure? You almost got swept out to the ocean.
Yeah, it's okay. It's alright.
That's alright? That's not alright.
Bang,
Go
one
ahead.
shot.
Alright, guys, so we're done. You guys had a good time?
Yeah.
Oh, it's too dark to see it. Hold on.
That you did.
Let's see, we got just aperture, guys.
Ollie.
There you go. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Where's Romeo?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, guys, so we're heading home. Ate our food. Enjoyed the beach over here at Nanini.
Man.
And, oh, my hairdo. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Hi, honey. Good morning. Interview. Where are you going, Jess? Where are you going?
Work.
Yay, Jess is going back to work
I know.
for the first time after this, well, actually still going on, COVID-19 time, guys. How do you feel about that, Jess? Too soon, you think?
Yeah.
Not too soon because of the economy. Jess was having a lot of fun, right, Jess? All right. But Jess is always having fun, right, Jess? No matter what.
Yes.
You're gonna enjoy seeing your old coworkers again, right? All right. So let's see what Jess is cooking up here for the kiddos. All right, corned beef hash, one of my favorites, guys. So hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you folks like that that video of us swimming over at our favorite beach. And I'm all a little dressed up a little bit, even though I'm not going to work. I just want to feel like I'm going to work. But actually, in actuality, I got to do some business, which is work. But yeah, Jess has to bring her own food this time around, right, Jess? Yeah, for now. I guess their restaurant is not open yet, so Jess packed up. But yeah, let's go over to the Hui.